Wait, we died? You died too?
Yeah. Right when he died. Your ghost.
There's my body.
Yeah.
It's right.
No, this is me right here. I kept getting stuck by the door.
No, you don't have a hat. I do. I have a hat. You don't. Oh wait, no, that's not a hat. That's your hair.
Yeah, I died right there.
Where did I die?
Hey, ghost. I mean, what? Who's the guy that?
The Walking Dead.
Right here. Okay, there you are. There you go. Okay, let's find him. We gotta find him.
I wish we can just see through walls and teleport to him. That'd be so cool. You. We can't see him. Yeah.
Yeah. More ghosts we can't see.
Yeah. They think that it would be.
Yeah, we can see you, and you can see us too. All you see is like a invisible figure.
Yeah. We can't haunt you. The reason why we can't see them, I guess, is because it's because they think that it would be too much of a help if the ghosts could see them.
Here. Stop right here. I'll invite Uncle Tony to the party, since we don't have to worry about the zombies. Uncle Tony got off.
Oh my God!
No, he's still on. I'll invite him to the party. Come on, let's go. We'll find him. If only we could hear the tape recorders, we could actually help.
No, we can't. We can hear the tape recorders and we can see them.
Really?
Yeah.
We gotta help you.
Where did ghostly person go?
Wait. I lost you, man. You need like.
Oh, right here. I see you.
Come on. You need like 4 more.
No, 3 more. 3 more.
I'm trying to find you. That's the thing. I'm trying to find you. We're trying to find you.
The thing that I like about when you're in pause mode, you can still move, even if you're in pause mode. Oh, hey, I hear it. Hey, come here. Hey, ghost guy, come here. See? Can you hear it?
Right here. Here it is.
Yeah, we ran past it with Uncle Tony too. Will that be too much of a help though?
We're in a lab. There's some computers in here and a big wire that leads to like a big
thing with like 6 big wires.
And there's a bunch of the white noise things and a bunch of pots.
Oh, those aren't white noise. Those aren't white noise. Those are like the things from what's that movie called? Bug's Life. Either no, something else. Bug's Life or something.
Where did you go? I lost you.
I'm at the chamber. I'm at the alien chambers. They look more like something. I can't remember where it's from. I know it's from. Oh, okay, this one's different.
You don't have to accept this friend request now, but after you.
I accepted it.
I'm sorry.
Oh, him.
You don't want to.
Which one is this? These little guys remind me of freaking Ants, that movie Ants. Cause when I'm in the lab with I'm at the alien chambers.
Seriously, I'm right here. And I don't.
Oh, right here.
Oh, there you go. Come on.
See, now I know what these remind me of.
We gotta help them get here somehow. Oh God! Like,
I wish we can see through the walls so that we can see him.
You know what we should do? One of us stay here, one of us goes out and tries to find him and then leads him back. If he finds us. If only we could run faster.
If only we could teleport and see the white dude.
If only we had ender pearls.
Yeah.
Just throw those and run the fuck away.
I wish, dude. What would be so cool if you, when you see the white noise, you could just blind him. You could just blind him with by flickering the flashlights.
Oh, that'd be funny. Just keep trolling them, right? They're stretching circles doing that.
No, but yeah. Wait, no. Yeah. Wait, is that the one place where he teleported right in front of all of us?
Did Uncle Tony leave the party again?
Yeah, he did. He's been left the party again.
Did he say anything?
No. Else he just
I
did.
see one of those radioactive things.
That's a good song.
If you want to hear a good song, you gotta listen to